Our mission is to find out what is causing this eye on the Earth. Hurricanes are large destructive storms that occur in tropical areas. The burning of fossil fuels causes global warming, which causes sea temperatures to rise. When sea temperatures rise, warm water evaporates and starts creating a storm above the sea. The currents of the air begin turning clockwise in the northern hemisphere and counterclockwise in the southern hemisphere. This creates the eye on the Earth. This phenomenon is called the Coriolis effect. Hurricanes destroy homes, leaving many people homeless, and leaving $1 billion worth of damage. Hurricane disrupts marine life. Coral life is reduced by 15 to 20%, and oceanic organisms are exposed to harsh contaminants and waste from land. It also destroys coastlines. To prevent the ocean water from heating up, we must use earth-friendly cars, use less hot water, recycle, and stop underwater campfires.
Created using Powtoon.